YouTube, it's your girl lasheavibez coming into you with another natural hair product review. And in this video, I'm going to be reviewing the product line of Curl Dynasty. These are products. I have a total of 4 products that I will be reviewing. It includes a shampoo, conditioner, a leave-in, along with a styler that I picked up from the Curl Box warehouse. I believe only paid about $3 or $4 per item. I've seen several videos come up on my YouTube feed about Curl Dynasty. I really try never to watch product reviews before trying the products, because I want to, you know, keep my honest opinions so I don't have a bias. So I'm so glad I got to try these out. When I seen this, I grabbed these. So first I started off, and these are the final of using these 4 products. I shampoo, conditioner, did a leave-in, and you'll see as I'm demoing actually how I felt the initial feel on them. Again, if you watch the videos of I mentioned, you know, in prior videos that, you know, I never know the true results until my hair actually dries completely down. So a little bit shocked at the results, because as I was applying them, I really wasn't sure. I mean, just as far as the way the products felt and all that. But let's go ahead and get moving. I have the chocolate mint moisture rich shampoo was the first item. It comes with your little leak tip. It had the little knob on it like this. The cocoa mint moisture rich shampoo, and it says it's moisturizing and purifying for all hair types. Works great for very dry, thick, kinky texture and need of moisture. Made of aloe, shea, natural oils, and shampoo. Ingredients is organic aloe juice, star fruit extract, May pops extract, free fruit extract, and etc. There's a lot of other things, but it looks like this in texture. Like I said, it comes out, remind me of like a cake. It was really thin on the hair though. None of these products, like, there was no lather. We're going to be reviewing the Curl Dynasty line. I have a shampoo, conditioner, leave-in, and a styler. Picked all these products up a couple months back during the Curl Box warehouse. So I think I paid about $3 or $4 for each product, and I couldn't wait to try it. I didn't really look at reviews. I try not to look at reviews on YouTube prior to using a product, so I can have an unbiased opinion and give my true opinions about products. So I wasn't familiar with Curl Dynasty, and I'm glad that I'm able to try it, especially at a low price. So if I decide that this is something that I want to replenish, then I'll go ahead and do that. But I love the names of this. This one is actually a moisture rich shampoo, and it's in a cocoa mint. It says moisturizing, purifying for all hair types. Works great for very dry, thick, kinky texture, need of moisture. That'd be me. Made with aloe, shea, naturals, oils, and vitamins. Okay, it says shake well, wet hair thoroughly with warm water. Squeeze a small amount into the palm of hand. Okay, it says shake well. It's really, really thick. Let's see. I guess does this come? Okay, that comes completely off. Let's shake it. Oh, it must have a thing. Yeah. Ooh, look at that. Pretty. Ooh, that's creamy. Look how thick. Love it. You hear the sizzle? Y'all hear that? Ooh, it smells really minty. It smells real green. It has a really mint green smell. Not too crazy about that. I love the texture. I like that. Reminds me of like decorating a cake or something. I like the squeeze. I like how thick it is. Not giving any lather. It's just kind of setting on the hair. This doesn't feel like your standard shampoo. It feels kind of flat. There's no lather. I like the texture. The smell. It smells kind of fumey to me. Yeah, I guess this chocolate and mint, whatever else is in it, kind of dies down those. But we'll see. But it really smelled, especially when I was washing it out, it really smelled like oil change. That's all I could think about is oil change. So I was like, okay, here we go. I really care for the smell on that. So then I moved into, and I love the names on this, the Give Me Up Slip. It's a Blast Hydration Conditioner. Now that just seems like it would be absolutely amazing. And this is after shampooing with cocoa mint moisture. Rich shampoo applied to section soaking wet hair. And this is a co-wash. I guess you can just basically wash and shampoo with this. It's a conditioner and a detangler. Gentle cleanser, powerful moisturizes, hydrates, and softens. Melts away knots for easy detangling. Promotes manageability, healthier hair growth, and retention for all hair types. Works great for dry hair in need of oil-free moisture and hydration, and superb detangling for benefits. Okay, comes like that. This is an 8 fluid ounce, and these were so hard to get out. It wasn't that thick on, you see that? It's really lightweight. It wasn't that thick, so I was surprised I was having such a hard time with it coming out. Out of the shampoo, I'm actually really surprised. My hair does feel extremely hot, moisturized. It kind of reminds me, remember back in the day, I forget what line it was, but there was like a mayonnaise mask. My hair kind of reminds me, and the smell was horrible. It smelled like I was like an oil change. That's what it smelled like when I was washing this product out of my hair. But we're gonna move into the Blast Hydration Conditioner. It's called Blast. I love the names. Blast Hydration Conditioner. It's the Gimme Slick Curl Dynasty. Let's see, this probably has a, okay, that doesn't have a thing. All right, so this is a conditioner. Ooh, this is thick. It's like it's hard to squeeze out. This is super thick. Let's see, look. Oh, it was hard to come up, but kind of creamy, white in texture. Let's see. Yeah, this is kind of light. What they saying about this? Co-wash, conditioner and detangle, gentle cleanser, powerful moisturizer, hydrates and softens, melts away knots for easy detangling, promotes manageability, healthy hair growth, and retention for all hair types. I don't know if I'm too crazy about this texture. I love thick cream. It's kind of thin, feels real thin, so we'll see. It's extremely thin. Yeah, this is kind of flat too. I like the definition my hair has, but we'll see. We'll see when I rinse it out. It'll tell all. This has like a minty smell to it too. Let me see what it says. The organic aloe juice, chamomile flower extract, rosemary leaf extract, a lot of different extracts. But yeah, that has kind of like a minty smell as well. I followed up with the smoothie leave-in called Kalahari. Love. It had the pump. This is apply liberal to clean wet hair, smooth evenly throughout hair from root to tip. It's a powerful moisturizer, hydrates and softens, melts away knots for easy detangling, promotes manageability, healthier hair growth and retention for all hair types. Works great for porous, curly, kinky, very dry hair types in need of hydration. It has organic aloe juice, organic coconut oil, shea butter. Yeah, I like this one and I really enjoyed. Again, this was another one. It was so hard to get these out. Texture, see that? Very creamy. So that smelled really good. Now this smelled good because the shampoo and the conditioner, I was like, oh. Okay, fresh out of the conditioner, and my hair actually feels great. Extremely surprised, but it feels really good. Now we're going to move into the stylers. I'm going to detangle and we're going to move into the smoothie leave-in. It's called Kalahari. Love it. And this is said to be a powerful moisturizer, hydrates and softener, melts away knots for easy detangling, promotes manageability, healthy hair growth and retention for all hair types. So we're going to give this a try. Be doing my ever faithful, of course. Here's easy detangling. We're going to do my ever faithful. If you follow the channel, you already know. We're going to do a rod set, but I think I'm going to do chunky twist. I think I'm going to do chunky twist and then rod set it. So I'm going to do, first we're going to start off, I should have brought my clips down, but we're going to start off with the Kalahari leave-in. See another, okay. That was easy enough. If you know me, I always have problems with the pumps. Okay, this is another one. It's not coming out, it's too thick. or feel thick. That other one wasn't coming up either, but let's see. Yeah, this seems to be a little thicker. Okay, yeah, I like that. I like that. So I'm gonna use the leave-in. Put a generous amount of the leave-in. I'm gonna section it. We're gonna do a chunky odor now. Now this smells pretty. Now this leave-in smells divine. That shampoo, no ma'am. Smells like I was getting an oil change when I was rinsing it out. Using a Kalahari leave-in really brought, you know, things back together because the smell and everything and the textures. I was just so unsure. So I used a generous amount of this. I did my ever faithful. If you follow the channel, I am a curl set girl. I did use, this time I did like chunky twists where I just basically parted the hair in twos and did the chunky twist and then put my rods at the end. So I used a generous amount of this, and then I followed up with the Curl Dynasty Twisted Definition Twisting Cream. It is also at 8 fluid ounce, and it has a back smell to it too. Extraction, it kind of smells a little cross between the shampoo and the conditioner, the same. But this is applied to slightly damp or wet hair. Apply to sections the hair. Twist and allow hair to air dry. Unravel, twist out. Works great for 3 to 4 type kinky thick hair textures for creating twist out styles and adding moisture. Infused, this is infused with aloe, marshmallow, and ginger root. Emollient and moisturizing. Provides gel-like soft hold. Minimizes tangles and breakage. Adds softness and shine. Then we're going to move into the styler that's going to go over top of the leave-in. This is the Curl Dynasty Twisted Definition. It's a twisting cream. Okay. Ooh, this has a funny smell. It smells like a custard. Okay, it's kind of creamy. It's real creamy, like a custard. Again, these products are very thin. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a section. I've already put my, I don't know if I'm gonna do them this big, probably half of this. This smells good, but I like the smell of the leave-in. Really pretty. Okay, we're gonna do twist, chunky twist, and then we'll do the rods at the end. Perfect nail length for twisting and rod setting the hair. No dragon claws today. Stay tuned for the final results. I did like it. I used, and these are the final results. I do like it. I was actually surprised. I had a little bit of residue when I was coming out of the rods. I was like, what's going on when I was taking my hair? I'm like, if you look back at my last couple natural hair product reviews for this year, for 2023, I mean, it's almost like residue has been a thing for me. I'm like, what's going on? But it wasn't that bad. I did have a little bit of residue, but you can see the hair, it does have a slight hold. I'm thinking if I would have had something, or if I would have had like a gel, it'd have been a little tight hold, but I like the soft hold. I think it's really cute. Definitely something I can wear for the rest of the week. And I did use just a little bit of this just to kind of, just like as I was taking the twist down, kind of hydrate. And I love the feel of the hair. The hair is, you know, the hair is extremely soft. So I would get it, I mean, out of a 10, I would give it a 7.5. I was really surprised because, like I mentioned, as I started applying the products, I wasn't too thrilled. But as a dry down in the styling, I do like the way they look. And as I prepare, as I, you know, get ready and think about all the products that I'm ready to load up on the Natural Hair Show, or if you're in Atlanta, you know, or plan on coming to Atlanta, we have the World Natural Hair Show coming in a few months. So I'm really thinking about and working on products that I really want to load up on or stock up on. So be on the lookout for that. I'll have some very exciting videos coming up, so be sure to rate, share, and subscribe. And if you've ever tried the Curl Dynasty products, let me know what was your favorite product. How did you use them? As always, thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you in my next video.